Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a knitting machine tutorial, or I don't know. I just want to give you some information. I've been noticing, like when I'm cranking, I'm seeing these white powders. So I don't know what they are. I think it's getting. I just bought this. Like maybe I used it 10 times, not even maybe 10 times. But yeah, so I thought to myself, what can I do? So I was looking at the knitting machine, Queen's Knitting Machine. There's a group in on Facebook. So people were recommending not to use like a sewing machine oil, and it says they were recommending this. And so I went to Amazon and I ordered it. It came. It's made in USA. It says finest multi-surface precision oiler on it. So it's called Zoom Spot. I will put the link. I live in Canada, so I ordered it through the Amazon Canada link, and I'm just gonna do some testing to see how it work. I love my Centro. I really do. I like my Centro. This is the 48 Centro. 48. It has 48 needles, and that 2 extra needles gives a big difference. And see, I can see the powder, so I don't know where is it. I'm not gonna pull this apart. And then I'm not a mechanic. I'm not an engineer, and I'm not good. I get so. I would be scared to pull this apart and then, put it back. I don't think I can do that. Even when I'm cleaning my oven door, my husband does it because he's way better. If I ask him, he definitely would. Okay, I opened the container, and it is oily. I can feel it. So that's what I'm trying to say. I'm not good with putting things apart. So what I'm going to do is, I have a sewing machine. I learned it when I was a teenager, how to sew. Basic stuff. Like, I'm not a professional. Oh, this part is cracked. I just noticed. No, is it like this? I don't know. So I've been oiling my sewing machine, and I thought I could do the same thing. So I'm going to show you, and then, oh, okay, this comes out. Oh. Oh, okay, I got it. Why did I pull? I'm so stupid. Why would I do this? I pulled it. So this is the thing. Do I have to cut this? See, there's no instruction. Oh no, it comes out. Okay, it's the screw that comes out. I need to put this thing back in though. So it looks like it did leak. Even thank God they put it in a bag. So I'm going to put this back. I think I need to cut it from here. I don't know. Let me check the Amazon if there's any information. I don't think I read it through, but it didn't give me instructions how to use it. It says I just saw this telescoping spot extended reach. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, I'll be right back. Yes, I checked it. There's no instructions. It's basically used for everything. Fans, shave machines, could be used on furnace motor. Yeah, few drops, cleaning tools. They even use it to cleaning. So is this high quality? Yeah. And it says there's questions. There's a fellow on YouTube. He shows maintenance. Okay. Oh well. I will put the link, and then you can check it out yourself. So I put the telescoping thing back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on individual. I wish there was a, yeah, I don't know, handle. I would have loved, maybe I could just put a little bit of dip here just like this. I don't know if this would work. Smooth it. It is smooth, but yeah. Oh, oh my goodness! I even can feel it. The handle. Definitely put it here. You can see it right where I put it. Yeah. So definitely. So what I'm going to do is on every needle here, I am going to just a drop, I would say, not too much. Just a drop on each. The handle definitely worked. Oh wow, can't believe it. So each one, just a drop. And then the handle, definitely. The handle, I would come back and put some more. Because it does, as soon as you put a drop, it goes all the way. I guess it's going inside as well, so that's helping. That's the main thing, right? And you just push a little bit and a drop comes. Oh, just like this, one at a time. I can feel it. Oh wow, it's going I'm gonna do this on my Addy and on my 22 needle Addy. I have a small one. Yeah, my Addy's counter broke. It's not showing anymore, the counter. Can you believe it? You pay so much money for the Addy and then you think it will last for a while, not even a year. And I haven't knit with these knitting machines for at least 6 months, because I hurt my arm, because I don't use a drill. Probably the people who are using a drill, they are oiling their machines as well, definitely. If I'm using my hand and if I see white powder, yeah, there's something wrong. That I thought to myself, right? That's not normal. Okay, so I'm gonna go one at a time. And I didn't look where I started from, but I guess I will see the oil. So yep, definitely this will help. So I just wanted to share you this method, this technique of oiling your sewing machine, your knitting machines. Yeah, you need to look after them. They're not cheap, especially the Addy. I just couldn't believe the counter. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have to search for a counter, I guess. I need a counter. Okay, we're back. White. Okay, so I did 48 needles. Again, this is the oil. It's called Supco. Supco. Well, I'll give you the link and then you can look at it. CE441 Zoom spoiler, and I paid 19 Canadian dollars. I'm just trying to figure. So what I'm going to do, oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Well, it was already smooth. Now it's like butter. Oh my goodness. So I'm just going to push this back in. Oh, I think I pushed it too much. Anyways, and then don't forget to put this white, red cap on. Because I guess that, yeah, okay. Yeah. Put that white cap on so it won't, because it's oil, right? But I will use this on my sewing machine, anything that's machine related. Again, there's tons. This will last for a lifetime. Yeah, I was looking for a smaller bottle, but I couldn't see anything small. And then it makes your hands white, soft too. So I'm gonna keep on cranking like this. Yeah, this counter's not working either. Sometimes it gets, maybe I should oil, oh, jump to, yeah, it's definitely working fantastic. Well, I love this and I would highly recommend. I just felt it as soon as I put oil on here, so maybe it's going through a mechanism in here. Like I said, I'm scared to pull this apart and then, you know, go from there. It's I'm not good at those stuff. And yeah, so I'll just work it out this way. Even this is helping. So this hasn't been a year yet, almost a year. And I'm gonna start a hat. And there's a lady, she asked for hats and blankets and scarves. I have a Edmonton knitting and crocheting group, and automatically approved her thingy because she was desperate. She's going to her son's the collecting for the hockey. I guess they're gonna buy equipment, and hockey stuff are very expensive here in Canada. Well, everywhere, of course, not only Canada. And I put a box full of I'll just donate to her because I do it for the homeless, right? So automatic. And I found a blanket that we're not using, so I'll just donate that. And I want to crank and see how this goes with the, here's my white one. So yeah, I just wanted to give you this update. I really like it. Oh, look, it's going well. I was really happy with my Centro, but this makes it, I can just push it with my finger here. Goes nice. Oh, wow. I would highly recommend you to try it and see how it works on your machines. Again, I'm going to try it on my Addy 46 needle. Oh, it's right over there, sitting on. And then my 22. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button, so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care. Happy knitting. Happy crocheting. Bye-bye. Oh, wow. I can just push it so easily. Oh, my goodness. Wow. I should have done this when I bought it. Yeah, definitely. If you have a new machine, definitely put it on before you start. Take care. Bye-bye.